Hi guys, so for this week's design what I've done is applied black as my base, and I'm then going in with this silver holographic, and as you can see, putting a stripe across the middle of my nails. I'm not worried about it being perfectly straight just now because we won't need it to be for the next step. Using the same colours and a dotting tool, we're going to create the design. So starting off with the silver holographic, we're going to do a row of dots, and you just want to place it slightly above the line that you did. Now with the black and the same size dotting tool, just placing dots this time into the silver hollow.